Okay guys, so you already made all these cubes and now we're going to make these different forms inside these cubes. So I already started doing some things so that you do it faster, but I'm going to explain you how I did it. So we're going to begin with the first form. We're going to begin with the easiest one and we're going to go from the easiest to the hardest. But you can do it in any order you want. So the first one that we're gonna do is this one of the pyramid. I'm gonna do it here in the computer because it is faster, but the same thing that I do here in the computer is what you have to do in your paper. So to make the pyramid here, you're going to trace a line that goes from this corner to the opposite corner of the cube. Let me show you how it looks like over here. The purpose of that is to find this point here, which is the middle of the upper face of the cube. So we want to know where is the middle of this face of the cube. We take a diagonal from here to this corner and from this corner to the other one. So now that we found it, I'm going to change color. You can do it with your pencil and then color it. But what you're going to do is to take from this point, let me enlarge a little bit more the image here. So from this point, you have to take lines to the lower corners of the square. Here, 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 and here. As you can see, is very simple. The important thing to know is how to find this middle point here. And you do it as I just showed you. You trace a diagonal from this corner to the opposite and from this corner to the opposite. When you have the middle point, you connect it to the corners of the lower square and that's it. Now you can trace the base just like this. I'm gonna do it super fast to move on to the rest of the shapes. So here we are, first done. Now, the next one is gonna be the cone. So I'm gonna go here. To do the cone, we're gonna do the same thing that I just did, which means for the upper part of the cube, in this face of the cube, you're going to find this middle point. So you're going to trace from here to here a line, and from this corner to the other one, the other line, and in the bottom of the cube here in this face, you are going to try to find the middle of these lines. So in this case, what I want you to do is to measure with your ruler how much of a distance you have from this point to this one, and the same from this point to this one. So you're gonna find the middle of this one and you are going to make a line that goes from here to here. Probably you are not realizing that, but with my ruler, I know that this is 12 centimeters long and this one is 10 centimeters long. So I go from the 6 to the 5. This is the middle of my square. And I do the same thing with these sides here. This one is 4 centimeters long, so I go to number 2. And this one is 3 centimeters long, so it goes to 1.5. This one. This is the cross that you have to do. Let me show you how it looks like. If you see, in this one, we are finding the middle point of the top, but in this one we have to make this cross. And the reason why we do this cross is because now with the pencil, and this is gonna be something a little bit difficult for me to do with the mouse, is that I'm gonna take the yellow and I'm gonna start making a little curve here to trace this one like this, more or less like that. Now, no, excuse me, I'm gonna change the line so that you can see it clear. So like this, and from here you go down to this one, making like a curve, and from here to this one, making a curve, and from here to this one, making a curve. Now, look how it looks from here. Basically, you found now the lower part of your cone. And what you have to do is super simple. You just have to connect this part. Sorry, excuse me. I'm gonna change my tool. I'm gonna connect this one to the upper part and this one to the upper part. There you go. You have a cone. Let me show you. So now you have a cone here and a pyramid here. Easy, right? Now we are gonna move to another pyramid, this one. But we are not going to do the top of the pyramid facing upwards, but we are going to make the top of the pyramid looking to the vanishing point over here. So remember that in the orange pyramid, we made the X in the upper face of the cube. In this one, we're going to make it in the first face of the cube, in this one, the one that is closer to you, let's say. And you are going to connect this middle point that you found when you created this X that I already made it before beginning the video, and you're going to take with your pencil and you're gonna make a line from this middle point here, and you're gonna connect it to the vanishing point over there. And now you are going to start connecting each of the corners of this first square that you have here to the line that you just created. Let me show you how. So first of all, I'm gonna make a very quick square here. You can do it line by line, excuse me. You can do it line by line, but this is what I want you to do, to make this square. So you make 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and that's it. And now you are going to take your ruler and you're going to connect each of these corners to the line that you just created. For example, here. I know that it is very close from the angle that I have, but don't you worry, this is what you need to do. Let me put it a little bit bigger if you want. So from this corner, I go to the same point. From this corner, I go to the same point, and from this corner, I go to the same point. As you can see, now we have a pyramid, but it is facing the vanishing point. The last one that we need to make is the sphere, and that one is probably the hardest one, because it is similar to what we did with this circle of the cone. So let me show you here. If you realize, I already made these X's in these faces. So the thing is that you have so many lines that it starts to be a little bit confusing. I know that. But look, in this square, you have this X. In the upper square, you have this one here. In the one on the side, you have this one here. But you need to make the rest. So, for example, this face, the one that is, let's say, closer to you, it doesn't have the lines. So, I'm going to connect this corner to this corner, and this one to this one. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I need the lower one. So to make the lower is to connect this one to this one and this one to this one. Let me show you here. So this one with this one and this one with that one. Okay, now it looks a little bit complicated, but what you have to do, oh, and we are missing this one, sorry. We have to make this one to this one and this one to this one. Now we have it all. What we have to do now is to connect all the ones that are in the middle with a circle. So I am going to do it here with a pen, and basically you are going to go, excuse me, I'm going to change color. I'm going to take my red and I'm going to take this one to this one, more or less like this. Now from here it goes here. Now from this one it goes here, and from this one it goes there. This is what you have to do. I know that it looks horrible, but this is basically what you have to do. Now you have to connect this one to this one, then the one up, the one in the back, and you finish here. And finally, you are going to connect the ones that are outside. That means, excuse me, I'm gonna delete this part because I'm gonna take this one. Went wrong. This one had to go here and here. Excuse me. Forget this part. I cannot delete it easily. And now I will make a circle here. This is the one that you need. Okay, guys, I know that the sphere is a little bit confusing. I'm gonna show it to you in the class, but basically, this is how you do your shapes. I hope that you understand. I'm gonna show you little by little. Don't get anxious about this. We're going to make it easier in the class. I hope that you learned, and that's it, guys. I'm gonna delete just this part because it is wrong. This part here was a little bit wrong. Okay, guys, I see you later. Bye bye.